Adults and kids alike doing crafts at my house, and a lot of times we need something to cover the table, or we need something large that we can draw on. So I got this roll of Kraft paper, and this was actually sent to me as a sample. The thickness of it is 30-pound weight, so it is fairly thin. I don't know how well you can see that. This rips really easy. It can cut with scissors really easy. This is not something that you would use for a crab boil or a crab feast, but it is perfect for bulletin boards, covering the table when you're doing crafts or something messy, inside or outside. Or it's a great big roll. If you were having like a rustic themed party or a boho themed party, you could cover all the tables with this instead of that nasty looking plastic tablecloth. But this is really good paper. This one is 36 inches. You can also buy it 18 inches. This roll is 200 feet long, so this is gonna last you a long time. You could use this for wrapping presents. That would be a great way to use this. Then use something rustic to tie it up, tie some branches on it for Christmas, you know, like some live spruce branches, holly branches. But this is gonna last you a long time. And once you get it, you're gonna think of tons of things that you can do with it. You can hang this up on the wall and let the kids color on this. This would be great for crayons, color pencils, markers. Because it is thin, I wouldn't use Sharpies unless you had something underneath of it. But if you're just using regular water-based markers, I think that this is gonna be fine. But this is a really good deal.